In this video class, we'll overview how to manage searches, and we'll be exporting the search data to Excel. All of this happens from the Workspace. From the Search tab, you can access and you can manage your searches. If you only want to know how to export the search data to Excel, you can skip to the end of this video. But for now, let's create a brand new search. First, you put the new search in a group. Search groups simply allow you to keep everything organized. Next, you select the project from which you want to pull the data from. And last, you can customize and specify your searches with different criteria. You could also leave this step empty, but can always come back and customize it later. And to manage searches or groups, you can go ahead and click on this gear icon. You could also create new groups and searches directly from this interface. Now, while hovering, you can either delete the item, move it within groups, or edit the searches and their criteria. And finally, once your search is all good and ready for exporting, you simply click on this icon to export the search data to Excel.